Ever wonder how you can give your kids or grandkids a head start on their financial future? What if you could easily invest in stocks and ETFs for them, teaching them about the market while building wealth? That's exactly what M1 Finance's custodial accounts allow you to do. Today, we're diving into the M1 Finance custodial account, exploring its benefits and walking through the simple setup process. What is a custodial account? A custodial account is a special type of investment account set up by a parent, legal guardian, or other adult, the custodian, on behalf of a minor. The most common types are UGMA, Uniform Gifts to Minors Act, and UTMA, Uniform Transfers to Minors Act, accounts. The key here is that the assets within the account legally belong to the minor, but the custodian manages the account until the child reaches the age of majority, typically 18 or 21, depending on the state. This is different from a regular brokerage account. With a custodial account, you're building a portfolio for the long term, and the assets can't be used for your own personal benefit. They're strictly for the minor. Why M1 Finance for a custodial account? So, why M1 Finance specifically? 3 main reasons. First, simplicity. M1 Finance uses a pie system, which is a visual and intuitive way to manage a diversified portfolio. You can create a pie with a mix of stocks and ETFs, and M1 automatically keeps it balanced. This makes it incredibly easy to set it and forget it, ideal for a long-term strategy. You can even use M1's pre-built expert pies if you're not sure where to start. Second, automation. You can set up recurring deposits into the custodial account. This is the power of dollar-cost averaging in action. By regularly investing a set amount, you're buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high, helping to smooth out market volatility over time. This consistent, automated approach is perfect for building wealth over decades. Third, zero management fees. M1 Finance doesn't charge management fees or commissions for buying and selling stocks and ETFs. This means more of your money goes directly into investments for your child's future, not into fees. The only costs are the underlying expense ratios of the ETFs you might choose. How to set up your M1 custodial account. Setting up a custodial account on M1 Finance is surprisingly straightforward. Log into your M1 account or create one. If you're a new user, you'll need to open a standard individual brokerage account first. Navigate to the Accounts section. From there, you'll see an option to open a new account. Select Custodial Account. Provide the necessary information. You'll need to provide details for both yourself, the custodian, and the minor, including their full name, social security number, and date of birth. Fund the account and build your pie. Once the account is approved, you can link your bank account to transfer funds. Then, you can build your investment pie. Start simple. Maybe a few broad market ETFs like VOO or SPY to get started. You can always add more specific stocks later. That's it. Once funded, your M1 pie will do the rest, automatically investing your deposits and rebalancing as needed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.